133 million Americans have pre-existing conditions such as high blood pressure, diabetes, asthma, and cancer, and are afraid of losing coverage. This new administration plans to expand Obamacare. That means your pre-existing conditions will be covered, lower rates, and many more options for you and your family. The people's voice has been heard. And right now, you must enroll. There are 1.5 million uninsured in Florida that qualify for free coverage right now. A family of 4 in Florida can qualify for free health insurance if you make less than an average of $65,000. And in some counties, free health insurance is offered to those making up to $100,000. Act now. Let your voice be heard by calling today. Enrollment is your vote to get insurance with pre-existing conditions coverage and access to affordable care. Call FreeObamacare for coverage today.